Get ready to be amazed, cause this get ready amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it is super lightweight and durable. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes C so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right second. Get ready to be amazed, cause this get ready amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know